discouraged when you do it and it just rolls on your stick and doesn't do anything, okay? You have to get used to it. Again, it's a real unnatural thing. Go ahead, Abram. Not too bad. What you have? Okay. Well, here's what I see, okay? Back on this part of their body here, right? And push the body through it, okay? It's the exact opposite. This motion, it's that motion, right? The hands were a little too far down on the stick, okay? And you didn't cup it over the top to get the roll to open the face and then to close the face. Okay, but you're keeping the blade flat so when you come through you don't have any split to it. You know what I'm saying? Your top hand does the exact opposite. That's when you're doing the wrist shot. Wrist shot, you're pulling it over. This shot, you're pulling it back, snapping it through. Alright. See what you got, eh? Come on. You guys can come up here closer to the net so you don't feel so dejected when it doesn't get to them. Okay. Balance is everything, right? Look at the puck. Oh, good. Start with it on your heel.